Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial moves to make your money work smarter. Today, we're diving into how to send money from US Bank to SoFi in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're transferring funds for investments, loans, or just consolidating accounts, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have your US Bank login details handy and that your SoFi account is set up and verified. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps for seamless integrations, so open your US Bank mobile app or head to their website. Log in securely. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. This is usually front and center in the dashboard. Here, you'll need to add SoFi as a recipient if you haven't already. Look for an option like Add External Account. Enter your SoFi account number, routing number, and select the account type, checking or savings. Pro tip: double-check these details to avoid any delays. A simple typo could send your money on a detour. Next, specify the amount you want to transfer. US Bank might show you estimated transfer times. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days in 2025, thanks to faster payment systems. Review any potential fees. Some banks charge for outgoing transfers, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, often with a PIN or biometric verification. After that, you're all set. Keep an eye on your SoFi account for the funds to arrive. If you're new to SoFi, this transfer could also help you meet any funding requirements for bonuses. Remember, in 2025, many banks offer real-time alerts via email or push notifications, so you'll know when it's done. And there you have it. Sending money from US Bank to SoFi is straightforward and efficient. If you run into any issues, like account linking problems, reach out to customer support right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.